In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy, CJ Dropshipping with Etsy. By the end, your CJ Dropshipping account will be linked to your Etsy shop so products and orders can flow smoothly. Make sure you're signed into your CJ Dropshipping account and be ready to authorize your Etsy shop when prompted. If you use a pop-up blocker, consider allowing pop-ups for this process so the authorization window can appear. Let's start inside CJ Dropshipping. Open your CJ Dropshipping account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the menu where you manage stores and integrations. Click Add Store. This is the gateway that tells CJ which sales channel you want to connect. When the list of platforms appears, choose Etsy. Selecting Etsy lets CJ know you intend to sync with your Etsy shop for product listings and order fulfillment. After selecting Etsy, click Install. This button triggers the secure authorization flow between CJ and Etsy. A new window or tab will guide you to Etsy's official authorization page. Here, Etsy will explain what access CJ needs, such as reading orders and managing listings. Review the details, then proceed to authorize. You're not sharing anything directly with CJ beyond this permission. You're simply confirming that Etsy can talk to CJ on your behalf. Follow the prompts on your screen and keep the window open until it completes. Once authorization finishes, return to CJ Dropshipping. You should now see your Etsy store listed in your CJ dashboard. This is your confirmation that the connection worked. Look for indicators like the store name and a connected or authorized status. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a quick refresh. If you weren't prompted to authorize or the connection didn't appear, click Add Store again and select Etsy once more to reinitiate the flow. Then authorize it and follow the prompts on your screen carefully. Make sure you're signed into the correct Etsy account and that you have permission to manage the shop you're connecting. If the authorization window doesn't open, temporarily disable your pop-up blocker or try another browser. That's it. You opened your CJ Dropshipping account, clicked Add Store on the left, selected Etsy, clicked Install, confirmed the authorization, and saw your shop appear in CJ. With the connection in place, you're set up to move forward with sourcing products in CJ and syncing them to your Etsy listings, as well as automating order fulfillment. If anything gets stuck, simply revisit Add Store and walk through the authorization once more, keeping an eye out for any on-screen instructions. You're now connected and ready to go.